first we have the pechay, we have garlic, onion, and bell pepper. And we have this tauge and the ramen. You can use either dry noodles or ramen. And you boil chicken. Now we're gonna start with heating the pan and put some oil. And once the oil has heated, we're gonna stir fry the bell pepper and the okay, so set aside first after stir frying the veggies. Set aside first. We will now prepare the sauce for the chicken to add more flavor. So we'll have the oysters first, and then oyster sauce, and then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. The sugar dissolves. This time we will saute the garlic and the onion with a little bit of chili. Now it's time to add the chicken. Add the chicken. Add some salt. And just keep mixing the chicken with the salt. Add the sauce that we've prepared earlier. Mixing the chicken to the sauce. And this time add the chicken stock with your remaining chickens. This time we put the ramen on the boiling sauce and chicken. There you go. And of course, we're gonna mix it. So let's keep on stirring the noodles to the chicken and the sauce. Just keep on stirring until it dries up. Stir all the ingredients in a medium heat. Keep stirring. Alright, so this time we will add the stir-fried vegetables that we prepared earlier. And we're gonna mix it to the noodles. So we're gonna stir it. We're gonna mix it up. So here's our finished product, Pinoy Chowmein.